Veki Donkey Kiko, I told you to stop calling me canpigne. Guess what? Guess what, Veki Donkey Kiko? I spammed you. I spammed you with hearts. You deserve to get your heart spammed. You deserved it. And guess what, Veki Donkey Kiko? I am blocking you. I am blocking you, and so you won't ever talk to me again. So you need to stop calling me canpigne, and you need to stop calling me caninesikube. Veki Donkey Kiko, you deserved it. You deserve for getting your heart spammed. I spammed you with hearts. That's what you deserve. That's your punishment day. That is your punishment. And I'm blocking you. I am blocking you, Veki Donkey Kiko. I am blocking you. And so you won't ever talk to me again, and you're banned from my channel forever. I don't want to see you in my channel again. You are banned from my channel, and I'm gonna block you. My brother Alex can block you. So you need to watch yourself, Veki Donkey Kiko, and you need to stop calling me canpigne. And you need to stop calling me caninesikube. I spammed you with hearts, Veki Donkey Kiko. You deserved it. You deserve to get your heart spammed. You're banned from my channel forever. And guess what? I'm gonna keep spamming you until you learned your lesson. See, this is your punishment, Veki Donkey Kiko, for calling me canpigne and calling me caninesikube. My brother Alex can block you. See, I'm blocking you. Veki Donkey Kiko, I hope you learned your lesson.